Well, here it is. All the white parts officially painted using my rose gold paint by Moto. And this came out pretty damn good, as you can see here. Look at that. So just showing you some examples of how shiny and chrome it looks. This I was deeply impressed on how well it comes down. You know, it applies onto the part. It's not a dust magnet, as you see there. It's just little flakes that fell on it, but it looks very good. Very smooth to the touch. I left it drying for about 2 days, just so it goes down, you know, evenly. And I had to look at the parts, each one. And sometimes, you know, when you look at parts that you paint, sometimes you want to redo it again, give it an extra layer. And I did that. I did an extra layer. And some of them I was able to notice that, oh, okay, good. I was able to paint it all. But some of them I missed, like right here, this part, which is part of the back leg. There's a faded right there. It's not a bad thing. I can go back and redo it again. So it's a easy fix, easy peasy. But I'm putting it here so you guys can see that I'm reviewing each and every one of them. So once I'm comfortable with what it, you know, I've had to redo a few more, fine. And then just put them away and you know, put them away for now, because at this moment in time I still did not get my LED light set. And actually, to tell you the truth, let me see if Samuel sent me an email. I think they did a couple of days ago, letting me know that they shipped it. Let's see here. Thank you. We'll make this. Thank you. Then shipment will be arranged. Okay. You're welcome. And I think that was it. Actually, he didn't send me I thought he would send me something. Maybe it hasn't come out yet. He's going to send it out. I don't know. Regardless of the case, that's what I'm waiting for. And I don't want to do anything of assembly until I get the lights. And once we get the lights, we put the kit with the lights in the inner frame. And in the inner frame, we put the parts together. Then we put together all these. Not to mention all these, but all the red parts that you see here, that I put to the side. All the red and metallic burgundy red, and of course the other colors, which of course I have in here, and I'm going to review each and every one to make sure those are okay as well. Wow, getting this to be the Trans-Am mode was a little daunting, a little annoying, and I have misplaced a part, which I know where it is. I just don't feel like bending down right now. It fell under the table. I gotta go get it in a minute. I also took the time to redo the metallic parts, like respray painted it again. All the inner frame parts has been painted because of the fact that I didn't have the gunmetal. And to show you a better look at what this. Actually, let me just show you this. Where is it? Oh, here it is. So I had to order this again. And I swear, if you guys get your hands on this, this is the best gunmetal product out there. Better than the gunmetal that's on Elclad 2 paints. Elclad has a darker tone to it, but this one is a lighter tone unless you give it a darker base. As an example, here is of course what the GN sword looks like with gunmetal from AK. Came out really nice. Look at all that. Yeah, this I'm definitely pleased with gunmetal, and I'm definitely buying at least another bottle, maybe two, because right now this bottle has already been it's still half. Well, hold on a second. Let me look at it. Yeah, I've only used half of this bottle, and that was because I had to finish up what was remaining of the quarter amount that was in the previous bottle. But I'm buying two more bottles because it's great for inner frames, and of course weaponry and all that stuff. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the results that this paint came out with, and I want to build. To tell you the truth, I really want to build and show off the Perfect Grade Exia in Trans-Am colors right now. Unfortunately, not until the lights come in that I will do this, and then once I do it, you guys will all witness this together. We all do. We'll go this through step by step. I'm just curious that maybe I don't have to do. You don't have to wait until the lights to arrive. I can do other things, like for example, I can. Yeah, you know what? I just thought of it right now. I'm going to assemble the weaponry, because the weaponry does not require the LED light set. All I need to do is put it together, and that's it. So let me clean up everything, and we'll assemble the weaponry of course, the mess of the Perfect Grade Exia, and see how it looks in anticipation to the full assembly. Okay, so here are the parts that will make up the weaponry. We're going to start with the GN blades, the long blade and the short blade. Now, after reviewing this and seeing that one of these parts is green, the inside, I said, I'm not going to mask this. This is ridiculous. It's barely, you're not going to barely see it anyway. So I'm going to remove this part so I can put it to the side. We're going to begin with the long blade. Oops, there it goes. There we go. Now, this we're going to take apart so we can put this part, which I did paint, put it in there like so. Put it all the way in, and then according to this, once it's on, I believe, in that position, just put this one in here, this one in there, and that closes it up. There we go. There we go. So cool. Now next we take this, the green part here, and I was actually contemplating whether or not maybe I should have painted this. Whatever. It is what it is. So we're going to take this part here, we're going to put this one through this, and then this one goes through here like so. So that closes it up. Then we take, if I'm not mistaken, I think this is the wrong one, isn't it? Nope, this is technically the right one. So you put that one through there, and then you take this one, put it through there. Yeah, you see, like, it's so minute and so small. Does that go here? Come on. Come on. We didn't want to break this. Am I missing something? Wait, I think there's something held up in there. Huh. Let's try that again. I think we may have to shimmy it in there. Come on. Let's try that again with feeling. Do I have to jab it in there? Good, it's in there. Alright, so that takes care of that. Then we take these two, align it like that, and put these through like so. There we go. And then we have these flip it about. I think. Oh, nope, I had it right the first time. There we go. G analog blade is done. Whoops. Let's do the short blade. This should be easy to do. Just take these two parts off. Put this one in here. Okay. I did not want to do that yet because I forgot to put that in there. That's what I hated most about these things. Well, let me get my tool. Alright, got it in there. Almost broke it. Alright. Let's get this in here. We put this one part in there through the guide. Then we put this one through here. And then we take blade 1 over here. Blade 2 over here. You're not going to give me the problem like I did with the build. No, good. And then we take these two guys. Line it up right. Actually, I need the other one. What easier that one? Put that one there. That one there. And that one here. And then finally, this part here that goes like that. There we go. The blades are now assembled. Not fond of this, so I may have to pop it out. Maybe cut that off and glue it in. But regardless of the case, looks good. Nice and shiny. It's almost a mod. Can't believe how many parts just to make this sword. Look at that. Pretty nice. Good form. Alright. GN swords are done. Let's now move on to the next weapon.